thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you're enjoying the video to this point. I wanted to come on though and let you know that this video is a part of a collaboration. I am a member of the Home Decor Luxe Club. Now the other members are all listed in my description box, but they are Glam Elegant Living, Creations by Simone, The Rogers House, Amethyst Adventures, The Grace Life DIY Home Decor, A Happy Hoarder, and myself, I'm Candy, and you may know my other channel, which is DIY Design by CCW. Now again, I've left links in the description box, and I hope that you'll go and visit all of the ladies and the playlist today. Also, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, I hope that you will do that. And if you will, please go and visit DIY Design by CCW and my newest channel, which is the Glam Decor channel. Now, like I say at the end of every video, I can't wait to see you, each and every one of you, in the next video. All right, everyone, have a wonderful day or a wonderful night, and happy holidays. Thank you for watching.